Hi y'all, happy Sunday. It's kind of a gloomy, rainy Sunday morning in Florida, which is where I shop. Hopefully you guys are having a little bit more of a sunny day. This trip will definitely cheer you up. We have a fire week at CVS this week. It's been a minute since I've been able to do a haul like this, so I'm really excited. Let's get going. All right, so let's start off with a spend 30, get $10 in extra bucks back. Pick up a Tide Pods for $13.49 and clip the digital coupon for $3 off. Pick up a Gain Pod for $9.99. There is also a $3 digital coupon for that one. And you're going to pick up a Tide Liquid for $6.99 and clip the $1 digital coupon. Total for all three is $30.47. You're going to only pay $23.47 at the register after the digital coupons come off, making it $13.47 for all three, or $4.49 after you get that $10 in extra bucks back. All right, so next up, you're going to pick up two Palmer's lotions for $6.49. They are buy one, get one 50% off. And if you buy two, you're going to get $6 in extra bucks. So for both of them at the register, it's going to be $9.73. After the extra bucks back, it's going to be $3.73 for both, or $1.86 a piece. Okay, so next up, you're going to pick up two CoverGirl products. I picked up two of these quad eyeshadows for $6.29. My total is $12.58. I had a $3 digital coupon and a $4 digital coupon, so after those came off at the register, that left me to pay $5.58 for both. Got back the $6 in extra bucks back, and it was a 42-cent moneymaker. Okay, so next up, I don't have any of this in my stockpile, so I wanted to grab this. They are the raw sugar bar soap. You're going to pick two up for $3.39. There is a digital coupon you can use for $3 off of two. So at the register, you're going to end up paying $3.78 for both, or $1.89 a piece. Okay, so grab two men's body wash, this Nivea, for $5.99 a piece. You're going to pay $11.98 at the register. You're going to get $7 in extra bucks back, leaving you to pay $4.98 for both, or $2.49 a piece. All right, so let's make some money on some laundry products. You're going to pick up two Persil this week. They're on sale for $6.98. You're going to pay the $13.98 for both of them at the register. You're going to submit over to Ibotta. They're going to give you $4 back on each. So for both would be $5.98. But remember, you're getting $6 in extra bucks back, so this is a 2-cent moneymaker. All right, y'all, so this is everything we got in transaction number 1. We are going to do 2 transactions this week so we can roll our extra bucks to lower our out-of-pocket cost. I had $35 in extra bucks that I had from was it last week? It might have been the week before. Anyways, I've been holding on to these $35 extra bucks for this week to come. So I rolled those. I also had a 10 off of 70 coupon that I got in my email after I used a percentage off coupon. This is a copy of my receipt. All of my digitals came off. I paid $22.99 out of pocket. I submitted over to Ibotta and got $8.56 back, and we got $35 in extra bucks back to use for our transaction number 2. So after the transaction, after all the digital coupons and the extra bucks back, that whole cart only costs me $14.43. Okay, so we're going to do a paper deal for our start of our next transaction. I'm going to pick up 2 Cottonelle for $10.79. They are going to give you $5 extra bucks back if you pick up 2. So at the register, you're going to pay $21.58. After you get that $5 extra bucks back, it's going to be $16.58 for both, or $8.29 a piece. Burt's Bees masks are buy 2, get 1 free this week. So I picked up 3 for $3.59. I only had to pay for 2 of them at the register, so my total was $7.18 for all 3, or $2.39 a piece. Go ahead and pick up 1 Eucerin. They're on sale this week for $4.99. You're going to get $3 in extra bucks back. So if you pick one up, you're going to pay the $4.99 at the register, get the $3 in extra bucks back. It's going to be $1.99. Make sure you check your account to see which coupons you have. I regularly get a 5 off of 20 CRT for Neutrogena, so I went ahead and picked up 4 of these 25 count wipes for $5.69. Total before the coupons, I had a 5 off of 20 and a $4 digital coupon, so I had $9 in digital coupons. So at the register, I paid $13.76 for all 4. That ended up being $3.44 a piece. You're going to want to pick up 2 Gillette Foamies. They are buy 1, get 1 50% off this week. So if you pick 2 up, you're going to pay $5.38 at the register. You're going to get that $4 in extra bucks back, leaving you to pay $1.38 for both, or 69 cents a piece. I picked up 2 of these Colgate mouthwash. They are on sale this week for $4.99. There is a digital coupon for $3 off of 2. That left me to pay $6.98 at the register. I'm going to get $5 in extra bucks back, leaving me to pay $1.98 for both, or 99 cents a piece. All right, y'all, so this is everything we got today at CVS. This is our transaction number 2. We rolled our $35.46 from transaction number 1 into this transaction. All of our digital coupons came off. So after the digital coupons and our rolled extra bucks from transaction number 1, we ended up paying $24.11 out of pocket. We got back $17.48 in extra bucks. So total for that cart is $6.63. For everything we got today between transaction number 1 and transaction number 2, we ended up paying $38.54 out of pocket. We have $17.48 waiting for us for next week. So total for everything we got today is $21.06. This week at CVS is amazing. I hope you guys have a wonderful weekend. Make sure you get to CVS because a lot of these shelves are going to be bare. The prices are amazing. As you can see, we barely paid any money and we have a whole cart full of stuff. Remember, this ad will reset again next week. Hopefully we'll get the same digital coupons. Sometimes we do, sometimes we don't. So if there are anything in this cart that you really need to have, I would go ahead and get there early because this stock is going to go very quickly. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great weekend. I'll see you guys on Thursday for our Publix ad. See ya. Bye.